beshi, dumating na nga'y matagal kong hinihintay. So ngayon, samahan niyo ako mag-unbox ng aking silver play button. Tara, samahan niyo ako mag-unbox mga beshi. Wow! Meron nga po siyang letter. Babasahin ko nga po sa inyo mga beshi. Congratulations on your subscribers milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, or your 100 subscribers? Chances are you do, and we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000 subscribers. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learn about you through a friend, or maybe you show up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to you, audience and stay and their numbers increase because of you and the community you've built. We're proud to honor you, impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations! We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know your fans can wait for them, amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next. And we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your million subscribers, we just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000 subscribers? Thank you po! Dito na po tayo sa exciting part mga beshi! Wow! Wow! Presented to Beshi Motea for passing 100k subscribers.
Sana all.
Yay! Ang ganda niya mga beshi, pwede pang manalamin. Sobrang saya ko po. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng subscribers ko sa YouTube. Kung hindi po dahil sa inyo, hindi ko po ito makukuha. Yun lang. Salamat sa panonood. Bye-bye mga beshi! Mwah, mwah!